In this video, you're going to learn a very quick and simple way that you can repost other people's content on Instagram. Now, reposting content, like the image that you can see on screen here, is not only a way to really get free content to publish on Instagram, but it's also a way to connect with other Instagram accounts. So for example, on screen here, you can see Dave Ramsey has reposted an image from another account, Jenny Eats Donuts, and you know that this is reposted because it's showing it in the bottom left hand corner of the image, and also in the comments below here you can see hashtag repost. So Dave Ramsey has added a comment on top of the original comment, which you can see is down here, and it's a great way. You can see it's got 15,000 likes, and it's a great way to maybe highlight someone in your audience who's doing really well, who's hit a goal like this that you're trying to encourage other people to do, or just somebody that's in your space or in a similar account that's doing something really cool that you want to share with your audience. So just a fantastic way to solve the content problem on Instagram. What do you post? And also just make connections as well. Instagram is all about engaging with people. So if you want to repost other people's content like this very easily, well, then you want to go into your browser and you want to go ahead and download Repost for Instagram. This is a separate app that will allow you to repost just like that example that I showed you. So you can see it's on the left hand corner here. It's got 40,000 reviews and it's absolutely free as well. Once you've got that downloaded, then you just want to open up the Repost app and you can see that you can click into Instagram. And what you want to do here is really go ahead and look for any posts that you might want to repost. So let's just come into this account, Gary V. And maybe let's think about if I wanted to repost this as an example. I click on the top right hand corner, the three dots here. I'd copy the link and you can see that that link has been copied to the clipboard inside the Repost for Instagram app. So what I can do is come back to the Repost for Instagram. I can see it's been copied there. Now I want to go ahead and repost that. And you can see now that I've got the image with the little repost symbol and the account holder's name in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. So now I can go ahead and click repost. And it's going to show you how to paste the caption. So this is great as well. Saves you typing out the caption that they originally had. And I'll show you how to do this. You just literally hold down and click paste. It's actually copied in the clipboard as well as the image. Really just takes out a couple of great steps. That's why this app is so cool. So I got that. Now I want to share it to Instagram. It's going to open up. I can pick it, share it in my story and my feed as usual. And then I can crop the photo if I need to. Just click next. I can select a filter if I want to, click next. And here is where we write the caption. So what I can do is just hold down my finger. And you can see now if I click paste, that is going to be the original comment from Gary V. And you can see it even says repost. And it mentions the app there as well. So what I can do is go ahead and add in my own comments if you wanted to, and you can put in your comments as well, and then you just click OK, and then you click share, and now that has been shared out or reposted on my account. You can see it's coming up under my name. You can see it says the image there, repost Gary V, and then you can see my comment, or if I'd put in a bigger comment it would have appeared there, and then the original comments underneath. So that's a great way that I can share something I think is interesting from other accounts on Instagram with my audience. That's valuable content for them. Also, it takes a couple of minutes, a lot easier than creating your own content maybe. And also, I may be able to start to form a conversation or a relationship with this big account. Now, this particular guy is quite a big account, but you can do it with maybe smaller accounts and make those connections and start those conversations a lot quicker. Now, if I come back to my profile, you can see that that's now on my account as well. So that is how you repost on Instagram very quickly and easily. The key to it all is this Repost for Instagram app, which is absolutely free, and you can go ahead and download it. It really makes the process a lot easier. So I hope you enjoy that and make good use of it.